Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of changing the light color in Stories Telegram notifications. Did you know that you can customize the color of the notification light to add a personal touch to your Telegram experience? It's a great way to make your notifications more visually appealing. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process of changing the light color in Stories Telegram notifications. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Step 2. In the top left corner of the screen, tap on the 3 stacked lines. This will open the menu options. Step 3. From the menu, select Notification and Sounds. Scroll down until you find the Stories section. Step 4. Tap on Stories, and then tap on Light Color. A color palette will appear. Select the desired color by tapping on it. Once you've chosen the color, tap on Set to save your selection. By following these simple steps, you can easily change the light color in Stories Telegram notifications, allowing you to customize your Telegram experience to suit your preferences. Changing the light color in Stories notifications adds a touch of personalization to your Telegram usage, making your notifications more vibrant and visually appealing. Thank you for watching, and enjoy customizing your Telegram notifications with your favorite colors.